show all of the room, like the examiner will ask, then you have to tell him, sir, this is the first corner of my room, that is the main door of my room, that is the third corner, that is the fourth, that is the last one, and this is the desk or the table or the chair on which I am sitting. You have to show the entire room. The examiner will just the examiner will ask you. And in each and every one section, the examiner will just give you this instruction to just show you the room. When you clear your introduction, and the examiner just gonna move to your presentation part, so examiner again he will ask the room checking. And when you finish your presentation, you're gonna move to SMS questions, so the examiner again he will ask the room checking as well. And at the last point, like in the last part, the examiner will also ask a question about your room checking. सही ना? Introduction की first class की integrity checking की, बिया मतलब room checking की. Again about he will ask a general questions about your personality. Like for example, he will just ask about your introduction, like may I